Hi everyone. I decided to start teaching a little bit of Greek, very basic Greek for non-Greek speakers. Now, one of the very first things you need to learn is, hello, how are you? And the response, I'm well, how are you? So, hello is yasas. It's in plural. Γεια σας. Τι κάνετε? Τι κάνετε? What are you doing? Which is used as how are you? Γεια σας. Τι κάνετε? Γεια σας. Τι κάνετε? Γεια σας. Τι κάνετε? It's not γεια σας, τι κάνετε. It's γεια σας, τι κάνετε. And the response is καλά, εσείς τι κάνετε. So, when you go into a place, a shop or whatever, and you meet somebody, they might say to you, or you can say to them, γεια σας, τι κάνετε? And the response will be, καλά, εσείς τι κάνετε?